Hi everyone, we're actually from G4 of the AA class and today we'll be presenting on Amazon Kinesis. The team comprising of me, Zhongqie, Guan Ho, and Clement will be presenting on this topic. So for agenda, we're actually going to cover introduction to Amazon Kinesis. Clement is going to go through relating it to Java 8 streams, and Guan Ho is actually going to give the option on when we should choose Amazon Kinesis over the others. So to give a short introduction of Amazon Kinesis, what is Amazon Kinesis? Kinesis is actually a platform for streaming and analyzing data on the Amazon Web Service, AWS for short. It actually comprises of three main tools, which is the Amazon Kinesis Analytics, Amazon Kinesis Firehose, and Amazon Kinesis Stream. The analytics actually allow you to easily process and analyze streaming data with the standard SQL, while the Firehose actually allow you to easily load streaming data into AWS. The Kinesis stream is our focus here, and this actually allows you to build custom applications that process and analyze streaming data concurrently. So how does Amazon Kinesis work? So Kinesis uses Firehose and Stream to actually capture streaming data, and they actually run against SQL queries of the data streams. The Kinesis Analytics can also send you processed data to Analytics 2 so that you can create alerts and respond to it in real time. So, what are some of the use cases for Amazon Kinesis? So, as you can see here, one of the use of Amazon Kinesis is actually to analyze streaming social media data. So, with a combination of streams, Kinesis Stream, Kinesis Analytics, and AWS Lambda, you are able to analyze streaming data and actually make them available to business users to query in real time. Next, Amazon Kinesis is also used to analyze IoT device data. In this example, the tractor actually sends data to Kinesis Stream from its sensor. The Lambda is triggered, and the Lambda actually runs codes to detect the trends in sensor data, identify anomalies, and also order replacement for faulty parts. So, some of Amazon Kinesis clients are Netflix, and they actually use it to centralize their flow logs. And Sonos also actually use them to monitor events and product by embedding IoT sensors into their product. Next, Clement will be going through how Java 8 streams compare to Amazon Kinesis Stream. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Clement and I'll be introducing to you more about Amazon Kinesis streams and compare it against what we have learned in class so far, which is Java 8 streams. Firstly, I'll begin to introduce how does Amazon Kinesis streams works. First, a stream is first created using the AWS Kinesis console. Subsequently, the producer and the consumer is then implemented. So what this producer does is that it continually push data into Kinesis stream, and the consumer will process the data in real time. Consumer is built on top of the Kinesis client library to continuously process the data stream in through the producer, meaning that as the producer pushes in more data into the stream, the consumer will be able to retrieve the latest data from it. Consumer can store the results or send the results for external processing to other AWS services such as Amazon Dynamo Database, Amazon Redshift, or Amazon S3. Consumer code can also be extended to get certain data sets for a more elaborate scenario. Next, I'll talk about the comparison between Kinesis Stream and Java Stream. Firstly, Kinesis Stream allows for continuous data intake and aggregation until it is programmatically deleted. However, in a Java stream, a new stream chain is created for every terminal operation execution. Second, producer and consumer class handles and manages multiple streams in Kinesis stream, whereas in a Java stream, multiple streams will have to be handled individually for data aggregation. Lastly, Kinesis stream allows for parallel processing, allowing multiple applications to work on one stream. In Java stream, it is not so much of the parallel processing, but rather it only allows for concurrent processing, splitting stream into substreams to work on.
So, when should we use Amazon Kinesis streams? While comparing to Apache Kafka, Amazon Kinesis is easier to maintain as a better ease of operations, while Kafka on the other hand is more difficult to maintain as it is open source. Amazon Kinesis is also more suited for web, bot, or application development practice, while Kafka on the other hand is more suited for distributed systems engineering practice, auto-scaling, and also streaming processing. Amazon Kinesis also has a better retention period of data for up to 7 days, while Kafka, on the other hand, does not have as good as a retention period as Amazon Kinesis. So, we also want to compare to Amazon SQS and why we should choose Amazon Kinesis over this. So, Amazon Kinesis has routing related records to the same record processor. So for example, counting and aggregation are simpler when all records for a given key are routed to the same record processor. Amazon Kinesis is also able to do the ordering of records. So for example, you want to transfer log data from the application host to the processing host while maintaining the order of log statements. And Amazon Kinesis is also able to allow multiple applications to consume the same stream concurrently. So what it means that if you have one application that updates a real-time dashboard and another that archives data to Amazon Redshift, for example, you want both applications to consume data from the same stream concurrently and independently. And lastly, Amazon Kinesis is able to consume records in the same order a few hours later. So for example, you have a billing application and an audit application that runs a few hours behind the billing application. Because Amazon Kinesis Stream stores data for up to 7 days, you can actually run the audit application for up to 7 days behind the billing application. So this shows us why we should choose Amazon Kinesis over others. We have come to the end of our presentation, and I thank you.